Every ear of corn carried the mark of his hard work and the patience of many seasons. On a golden evening, Old MacDonald stood proudly over his fields. Today was harvest day. Through these towering rows he walked with purpose, guided by decades of experience and love for the land. His old harvester had been a loyal companion for years, ready to bring the golden field to life once more. With a turn of the key, the great work of the harvest was about to begin. And just like that, the golden fields began to yield their bounty, row by row, under his steady hands. Row by row, line by line, the field transformed under his steady hands, a dance of harvest in golden light. And soon, the whole family came to witness the harvest, a moment of togetherness and pride across generations.
Grandpa, we're here!
Welcome, everyone! Because harvest isn't just about crops, it's about family, joy, and the moments shared together in golden fields.
Come on, kids!
The harvest was nearly complete, every row a testament to years of dedication and steady hands. As the sun set over our golden fields,
together.
he knew the work of a lifetime had created more than crops. It had created memories that would last generations. And with the final step from the combine, the harvest was complete. Years of effort captured in golden light and shared with those he loved.